Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Cash App account from your phone, detailed guide step by step clearly. To uninstall your Cash App account from your phone, begin by ensuring you have the app open. Log into your Cash App account if you are not already signed in. Tap on the profile icon located in the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down to the bottom of the profile menu. Select the support option from the menu. In the support section, look for the Something Else option. Tap on Account Settings to access further options. Choose Close My Cash App account from the list presented. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm your decision to close the account. Once you have closed your account, exit the Cash App. Go to the settings of your phone. Locate the Apps or Application Manager section in your settings. Find the Cash App in the list of installed applications. Select the Cash App to open its settings page. Tap on the Uninstall button to remove the app from your device. Confirm the uninstallation when prompted by your phone. After the app has been successfully uninstalled, you will no longer have access to your Cash App account. Make sure to check if your account has been fully closed to avoid any future issues. Congratulations, you have successfully uninstalled the Cash App account from your phone. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.